Trying to record a video while playing music out loud on your iPhone can be frustrating, as they don't like to work at the same time, but we're here to show you how to get around that. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you 3 ways to record a video while playing music on iPhone. Now let's get started. As you may have experienced, when playing music on your iPhone, if you open the camera app and switch to video, the music will turn off. When you exit the camera app, the music will resume. If you want to have the music as part of your video, this is super annoying. We'll show you 3 ways to get around this. The first way is a little trick with the default iPhone camera app. First, start playing the song you want to use from Spotify, Apple Music, or another music streaming service of your choice. Then open the camera app. Do not switch to video. Then hold down the shutter button to record a video. The only catch with this is that your video will be recorded in the aspect ratio typically used for photos, rather than the 9:16 aspect ratio that the video mode uses. Another way to record a video while playing music from your iPhone is to cast your music to a smart speaker such as an Amazon Echo or Google Home device. If I switch my Spotify app to play music through my Echo Dot, the music will play through that speaker, and I can switch into video mode in the camera app and record a video while the music continues playing. Note that this method only works for devices connected through Wi-Fi. This will not work for Bluetooth speakers. The third and last way to get around this is to use a third-party app that allows music to continue playing in the background while recording. For example, the Snapchat camera and the Instagram Story camera will both allow you to record a video while continuing to play your music. You can then save your video from that app to your device's camera roll. That wraps up our 3 ways to record video while playing music on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.